What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. We got on some high vis for some wood biz, so let's get into today's project. I meant to do that. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Oh no, that's dumb. We already started the video. Alright guys, so we are a few days, nights, something like that later in an effort to try and get this thing done before my daughter's first birthday. Had to do a little bit of work off camera, mainly in these little arch pieces to the support on the bottom. I cut these out and actually used my little right angle die grinder. Worked great for getting us the shape, and then handed it with some files. So we're gonna get these installed, sand it down. Actually, first we need to put these through our router to give them a nice finished edge, and then we'll go into our finishing. Somewhere there's probably a big red circle with a line through it saying not to do this, but that's not here, so here's what we're doing. So we routed the edges on our trim pieces as well as the entire shelf now. So now it is time to sand and then finally start applying our coats of stain. So let's get into it. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what I'm doing here and want to see more, tap that subscribe button, give this video a like and thumbs up, share it to your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.